In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Oanda login ID. This topic confuses a lot of traders because Oanda uses different credentials depending on where you're signing in. So let's make it crystal clear and walk through exactly what to use and where to find it. When you're logging into Oanda's own platforms, the web trading platform, the mobile app, or the account portal, your login ID is simply the email address you registered with. Pair that with your password, and that's all you need. There's no separate number for these Oanda logins. Just head to the Oanda login page or open the app, enter your email in the username field, type your password, and sign in. If those details work, you've confirmed you're using the correct login ID for Oanda's web and app environment. Now, MetaTrader is different. If you're using MT4 or MT5, your login ID is not your email address. MetaTrader expects a numeric account number assigned by Oanda for the specific account you want to connect. You'll find that number inside your Oanda dashboard, sometimes referred to as the hub. It will be labeled as MT4 Login, MT5 Login, or Platform Login. That number is what you enter as your login ID inside MetaTrader. Here's how to locate it. First, sign into your Oanda dashboard using your email and password, the same way you would for the web platform. Once you're in, go to My Accounts. You'll see a list of your accounts. Click into the exact account you plan to use on MT4 or MT5. On that account's details panel, look for Platform Login or the specific MT4 or MT5 login label. The number shown there is your MetaTrader login ID. Use that number when MetaTrader prompts you to log in and make sure you're selecting the matching platform type. A couple of quick clarifications that prevent most login issues. Your email address works only for Oanda's own web platform, mobile app, and portal. It won't work inside MetaTrader. And the reverse is true as well. The numeric MetaTrader login won't sign you in on the Oanda website or app. If you maintain multiple accounts, whether live or demo, each one has its own platform login number. So double-check you're selecting the correct account before copying the login. To recap, Oanda's web and app login equals your email plus your password. MetaTrader login equals the numeric platform login found under My Accounts in your Oanda dashboard. Follow these paths, and you'll always know exactly which login ID to use wherever you're trading.